Well, the auto industry is backtracking on EVs at the moment. Lack of demand has led to halted production and a bunch of other stuff. But what that means is that the middle ground, yes, a hybrid is the best bet. And today, we've got a killer list of 10 hybrid SUVs that are the absolute best buys this year. Starting with yes, you guys all knew this was coming. It's the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, aka the best-selling hybrid SUV on the planet. And if there is one on the list that just does everything right, it's this one. Let's break it down. First off, it's insanely fuel efficient with up to 41 miles per gallon in the city. This thing will take you nearly 600 miles on a single tank. That's basically a road trip from LA to San Francisco without stopping for gas. Then there's the practicality. It's got plenty of cargo space, roomy back seats, and solid tech features across all trim levels. It's also one of the most reliable SUVs that you can buy, period. Toyota hybrids are built to last forever, and the RAV4 is no exception. The only catch, good luck finding one. Demand is through the roof, and Toyota isn't exactly cranking these out at lightning speed. But if you can get your hands on one, you're basically buying one of the safest, most practical investments in the car world. RAV4 was an obvious choice, but there's one that isn't, the Ford Escape Hybrid. Now, let's get one thing straight. The regular Ford Escape, not the best, but the hybrid version, completely different story. Why? Because this thing used to be one of the most tried and true hybrid systems in the game. Ford has been doing hybrids longer than most, and they've refined this system to be smooth, simple, and ultra efficient. No turbo, no fancy dual clutch transmission, just a reliable 2.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder paired with a well-tuned eCVT transmission. And if you want a little secret, Ford is always running killer deals on these. If you're a savvy shopper, you can score some serious discounts, making the Escape Hybrid one of the best bang for your buck hybrid SUVs out there, period. Now, if there is a downside, well, the interior isn't as nice as some of the other competitors on this list, and the base model can feel a bit basic. But if you're looking for a super reliable, super efficient, and super affordable hybrid SUV, don't sleep on the Escape Hybrid. All right, next on our list is the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, a 3-row SUV that just got a complete makeover. The damn thing looks slick. Gone is the old curvy design because Hyundai went full boxy and rugged with this one, and I am totally here for it. Inside, the Santa Fe is all about comfort, space, and tech. It's got a huge curved display, premium materials, and just enough buttons to keep things functional without feeling overwhelming. And if you got a big family, this SUV is a solid choice. It's not as massive as a full-size SUV, but it gives you that extra row for when you need it. Under the hood is a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, paired with an electric motor and a 6-speed automatic transmission. And yes, the engine isn't going to be knocking your socks off with monster torque, but it's got plenty of power for everyday driving. Plus, Hyundai isn't playing around when it comes to warranties. 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain. That's the best in the industry and a major peace of mind factor. Now, here's where things get interesting. What if you love the RAV4 Hybrid, but you want something a little bit more stylish, a little more premium, and a little bit more fun to drive? Meet the Mazda CX-50 Hybrid. It's got the exact same hybrid system as the RAV4, thanks to Mazda's partnership with Toyota, but it's wrapped in a way more premium package. Step inside and it's night and day compared to the RAV4. Mazda interiors feel like they belong in a European luxury car with high quality materials, a slick design, and super comfortable seats. And since Mazda tunes their suspension and steering better than Toyota, this thing actually feels sporty and engaging to drive. It's a little pricier than the RAV4, but if you want Toyota legendary hybrid tech with a touch of Mazda's magic, this is an absolute win. Our next pick on this list is one of the newest additions to Toyota's hybrid lineup, the Crown Signia. Now, if you're looking at this thing and thinking, wait, isn't that just a wagon? Yeah, pretty much. And that's exactly why it's awesome. This is basically a luxury version of the RAV4 Hybrid. Bigger, way more premium, and packing a super refined hybrid system. It's got a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated engine, 3 electric motors, and an eCVT transmission. Basically the same bulletproof setup that Toyota uses in the Highlander Hybrid. And I like that it's built in Japan, because that means top tier build quality. The interior is high end, the ride is smooth, and the all-wheel drive system is standard, making it a great all-weather choice. The only downside is that it's kind of pricey. This is definitely more on the luxury side of hybrid SUVs, but if you can swing it, I would 100% recommend. Okay, the Crown Signia is admittedly very nice, but it's still a Toyota. If you want a proper luxury hybrid, may I suggest the twins, the Lexus RX and NX350H. These two hybrid SUVs share Toyota's bulletproof hybrid system, but add a serious dose of refinement. It's so refined, it's so good that actually It's my favorite car my mom has ever owned. She has got a new one. She calls it the Silver Bullet. It's the RX 350h, and honestly, it's an ideal car. Now, the RX 350h is there for those who need more space, while the NX 350h is the smaller, sportier option. But the real reason you buy this car is comfort. The ride quality is amazing. Step inside either of these SUVs and you'll forget you're even moving. The suspension soaks up every bump. The interior is nearly silent, and the seats, it's like a cloud. If you want a hybrid SUV that feels like a luxury car, this is the way to go. And of course, it's got that same tried and true hybrid powertrain that comes in the Crown Signia. Now, is it exciting to drive? Not really, but it's a Lexus hybrid and they're not exactly cheap. This thing will give you hundreds of thousands of miles of plush drives, something very few other manufacturers can do. And if you want to find any of these cars for cheap via Auto Tempest, I pinned all of them via the first pinned comment. So go check them out. All right, families, this one is for you, because if you need a hybrid SUV that's big, comfortable, and ridiculously fuel efficient, you've got two killer options: the Toyota Highlander Hybrid and the Grand Highlander Hybrid. First, the regular Highlander Hybrid. It's been one of the best-selling family SUVs for years, and for very good reason. It's spacious, efficient, and built like a tank, and it packs that same awesome hybrid system from the other Toyotas and Lexuses on this list. But if you need even more space, Toyota heard your complaints and built the Grand Highlander Hybrid. This thing is huge. The third row is actually usable for full-sized humans, and you get tons of extra cargo space. It's basically Toyota's answer to the Chevy Traverse or Honda Pilot, but with way better gas mileage. Next, we've got the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, aka the Santa Fe's younger sibling, that's just as stylish, but a little easier on the wallet. If you don't need a third row but still want a techie, futuristic looking hybrid SUV, the Tucson is a fantastic pick. It's got the same hybrid system as the Santa Fe, which means solid performance and fuel economy, but in a smaller and lighter package. And yeah, that means it feels more nimble on the road, which is great if you're dealing with tight city streets or just hate driving a boat. One of the best things about the Tucson is the design, inside and out. The LED lighting, the sleek lines, the futuristic dashboard. Hyundai really nailed the styling on this one. And you still get that killer warranty, so you're covered if anything goes sideways. Let's say you're not looking for some giant family hauler, you just want a compact, affordable, fuel-sipping SUV that gets you from point A to point Z without guzzling gas. Enter the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, the most affordable hybrid SUV on this list, and yet still an absolute banger of a deal. It shares a lot with the Toyota Prius, which means it's running the same super efficient hybrid setup. A 2-liter 4-cylinder, an eCVT, and an electric motor that cranks out nearly 200 horsepower. For a small SUV, that's more than enough punch to handle city driving and highway cruising without feeling sluggish. The fuel economy, insane. This thing easily hits 40 plus miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel efficient all-wheel drive SUVs that you can buy. Now, let's be honest, the interior is nothing fancy. The materials are pretty basic, and you won't find a ton of high-end features like in a Lexus. But you just want a no-nonsense, ultra-reliable, fuel-efficient hybrid SUV, the Corolla Cross Hybrid makes it so easy to drive every day with no worries. And here we are. You knew I couldn't forget this one. That's right. Up next, we've got the Honda CR-V Hybrid. Now, why does everyone fawn over this car and buy them up so quickly? Because Honda has crafted the perfect balance of efficiency, performance, and comfort. The two-motor hybrid system is not only just as reliable as Toyota's, but it actually drives smoother and has better acceleration. And the interior and ride quality are easily on par with the RAV4, if not just a little bit better. And here's the biggest factor. You can actually find these on dealer lots without a 6-month wait. Toyota's got supply issues, while Honda's hybrids are much. So if you want one of, if not the most well-rounded, best all-around hybrid SUVs, this is the one to get. Now folks, this list isn't in order because, well, there are really just fantastic hybrids everywhere and you can get all of them and they're all ideal. So which one do you want in your driveway? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this vid, like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and check out some of these ideal vids over here. I'm Brad, this is Ideal. Catch you next week, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.